Welcome back to Motor Vision, the channel where power meets passion, and where every curve, every roar, and every detail of the automotive world is celebrated. If you're a true car enthusiast who lives for speed, muscle, and groundbreaking engineering, then you're in the right place. So buckle up, because today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated reveals in the muscle car world, the brand new next generation 2026 Dodge Charger Hellcat. This isn't just an upgrade. This is Dodge rewriting the rules of modern American muscle, once again proving why the Charger badge continues to be an icon across generations. Let's set the stage. The Dodge Charger has always carried a legendary reputation, blending raw power with everyday usability in a way few cars ever could. With the Hellcat, Dodge created something truly ferocious, combining old-school muscle car character with modern performance technology. But now, in 2026, the Charger Hellcat has evolved. This new generation doesn't just honor the muscle car legacy, it transforms it for a new era, bringing electrified innovation, futuristic styling, and blistering speed to the table. It's everything we hoped for and more. When the covers came off the 2026 Charger Hellcat, the world stood still for a moment. The first thing that catches your eye is the design. Dodge has managed to take the unmistakable Charger silhouette and evolve it into something sharper, more aerodynamic and undeniably aggressive. Up front, a bold grille stretches wide, flanked by razor-thin LED headlights that give the car a menacing stare. The hood is sculpted with deep vents and functional air intakes, signaling that serious power lies beneath. The stance is lower and wider than before, and the rear features a full-width light bar, paying homage to classic Chargers while looking every bit like the future. Massive quad exhaust tips are tucked neatly under the rear bumper, hinting that even in a world moving toward electrification, the Hellcat's roar is far from gone. Step inside, and you're greeted with an entirely redesigned cockpit. The interior of the 2026 Charger Hellcat is a perfect fusion of muscle and luxury. Drivers are surrounded by premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents, giving the cabin an upscale yet performance-focused vibe. A massive curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, seamlessly integrating the driver's gauge cluster with the infotainment system. Dodge has packed in the latest tech, from advanced connectivity to customizable performance readouts. But don't think for a second that it's gone soft. The flat-bottom steering wheel, deeply bolstered seats, and tactile paddle shifters remind you that this is a machine built for speed and control. But let's talk about what truly makes the Hellcat. Well, a Hellcat, the engine. Dodge has confirmed that the 2026 Charger Hellcat will offer a range of powertrains, including a revolutionary hybrid-assisted supercharged V8. Yes, you heard that right. Dodge is blending electrification with raw muscle, creating a monster that not only keeps the spirit of the Hellcat alive, but makes it more powerful and efficient than ever before. The new Hellcat churns out an astonishing 850 horsepower, with instant torque delivery thanks to the electric assist system. The result? Neck-snapping acceleration that takes this Charger from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Top speed? A jaw-dropping 215 miles per hour. And if you're worried about losing that signature Hellcat sound, don't be. Dodge has engineered a specially tuned exhaust system that roars with the same earth-shaking growl enthusiasts love, while blending futuristic tones from the hybrid system. It's muscle car music reimagined. Performance doesn't stop at power. The 2026 Charger Hellcat comes equipped with an updated suspension system that adapts to every driving condition. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up a track, the car remains planted, stable, and responsive. Massive Brembo brakes ensure you've got stopping power to match the speed, while an all-new all-wheel drive system is available to put that horsepower to the ground with precision. For purists, Dodge is still offering a rear-wheel drive configuration. Because what's a Charger without the option to light up the tires and leave a trail of rubber behind? Dodge has also invested heavily in driving modes for the new Hellcat. With just a touch of a button, you can switch between modes like Eco, Sport, Track, and the infamous Hellcat Red Key mode, unlocking the car's full potential. In Red Key mode, the Charger becomes a beast unleashed, delivering maximum horsepower and lightning-fast gear shifts. On the flip side, Eco mode uses the hybrid system to give you surprisingly efficient fuel economy for a muscle car of this caliber, making it more practical than ever for daily driving. One of the most exciting features introduced in the 2026 Charger Hellcat is Dodge's new performance AI assistant. This system constantly monitors your driving style and conditions, adjusting power delivery, suspension stiffness, and even aerodynamics in real time to give you the perfect balance of performance and control. It's like having a racing engineer riding shotgun every time you hit the road. Safety and convenience haven't been forgotten either. Advanced driver assistance systems are baked into the new Hellcat, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even semi-autonomous driving for those long highway stretches. While the Charger is all about raw power and adrenaline, Dodge recognizes that modern drivers also expect cutting-edge safety and tech. Now let's talk numbers that matter. Pricing hasn't been officially released, but insiders expect the 2026 Charger Hellcat to start around $95,000 with higher trims pushing past the six-figure mark. Yes, it's expensive, but for what you're getting, iconic muscle redefined, for the future, it's hard to argue against the value. And let's be honest, this car isn't just transportation. It's a statement, a lifestyle, and a legacy on wheels. Dodge is also offering a wide range of customization options, from unique color palettes inspired by classic Dodge heritage to modern matte finishes and wild stripe packages. Owners can make their Charger Hellcat truly their own. Wheel designs range from aggressive track-ready alloys to sleek street-styled rims, and performance packages allow you to tune the car to your exact taste. Whether you want a daily cruiser with brutal acceleration or a track weapon that eats supercars for breakfast, Dodge has you covered. The Charger Hellcat has always stood for rebellion, attitude, and pure adrenaline. With this 2026 model, Dodge has managed to capture that essence while propelling it into the future. It's a car that respects tradition but isn't afraid to evolve. In a world where many automakers are toning down their performance vehicles, Dodge has done the opposite. They've doubled down, creating a Hellcat that's louder, faster, smarter, and more thrilling than ever before. Imagine rolling up in this beast. The hybrid-assisted V8 snarling, the headlights slicing through the night, and the unmistakable silhouette commanding attention everywhere you go. It's not just a car, it's a declaration of who you are and what you stand for. And that's what makes the Charger Hellcat so special. It isn't trying to fit in, it was built to stand out. So what do you think of the all-new 2026 Dodge Charger Hellcat? Has Dodge nailed the formula for modern muscle? Or do you think electrification takes away from its soul? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because this is a conversation every car enthusiast needs to be a part of. That's it for today's deep dive into the next generation Charger Hellcat. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to MotorVision, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more first looks, reviews, and in-depth analysis of the hottest cars hitting the streets. Thanks for riding along with us today. This is MotorVision, bringing you the sound, the speed, and the soul of the automotive world. Until next time, keep your eyes on the road and your foot on the gas.